Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z8509A. 56,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Silverado brand new, just took it back in on trade. Autumn bronze in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seat 6. Cloth interior, very clean. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost, as well as power sliding rear window. Z71 off-road suspension includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Trailering package. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. No dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position. Integrated trailer brake control. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats and power adjustable pedals. Great for shorter drivers. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Like transmitter for garage door opener and power sliding rear window control. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.